I've been in this industry since 2006. I went from being a burned out network marketer to becoming an expert in creating autopilot income online. Now, like you probably looking at this because you're broke, busted, and disgusted, or you're just looking to do something different, or you're just looking for a way to be able to leverage your money. All right. So this is the perfect tool and resource to be able to leverage your money. Now we're going to be talking about autopilot income. Obviously, I have multiple income streams. So I'm going to share with you one that is super exciting here today. I am a documented seven-figure producer in network marketing. Now, over the course of me being involved in this industry, I have earned well over multiple seven figures in this industry. Now, let's talk about the mission statement because some of you guys are wanting to align yourself with the unit of prosperity. Now, I am going to be talking to you about the Easy Passive Profit System, which is a UOP product or unit of prosperity. So let's talk about the mission statement here real quick. Now, the mission of the unit of prosperity is to create the most dynamic, versatile community of like-minded entrepreneurs in the industry of network marketing and direct sales. Okay. Our vision is to create 100 six-figure income earners and 10 millionaires, okay, over the next couple years. Internet marketing is a launching pad for us to branch to other areas of business. And I'm not going to read all the rest because, again, I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Now, this is actually a screenshot from the first company I actually earned seven figures in, DS Domination. This is me actually buying a product, taking the leap of faith and buying a product knowing that it was going to overdraw my credit card. And as you see here, this is what the balance is, okay? I am over my excess line by $2,900, okay? So that happened. I saw the value, I saw the opportunity, but I just took that leap of faith and did that. And by me doing that, I was able to earn well over seven figures with this particular company. If you look here, these are some old profit charts that I had from that company, 17,000 in a particular week. If you look at those deposits there, you got 2,900, 1,900, 5,000 wire transfer. You got thousands, another 500, etc. Okay. Here's over $500,000 at that time when I was in that company. But obviously it's more than that now. And you're looking at the end the balance of $84,000 in a particular month. I think that was probably one of my best months being with that company. I'm not going to show you all the screenshots because there's more. Now, the pathway to success can be simple if you allow it to be simple. The key thing is aligning yourself with the right people and the right product and keeping things simple. I am a very technical person to a certain degree. However, I like to keep things simple and systematic. All right. And I've learned by me keeping things simple and systematic that has allowed me to become extremely successful. That's how I had my most success. Now, if you also plan to be successful, you must set clear intentions. What are your intentions? What are you looking to accomplish here tonight? What are you on this video for? All right. I'm going to share with you again something I've never ever done before. Okay. In regards to me giving away our course, which is valued at well over $20,000, but it's for sale right now for $2,000. But I'm going to share with you, if you are in that number, on how you can get it for free. That number is slowly decreasing. Now, before I did this video, it was 28 spots left, but now it's probably like 24. Okay. Now it started at 100, and I'll explain that a little later on. Okay. We all know Forex is a $5.2 trillion industry. It is trading one currency for another. It's dominated by international banks for 100 years. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. It operates 24 hours, 5 days a week, and you can trade this on any device. Now let's talk about the services. Now you seen me talking about a Forex software. Now, again, this is state-of-the-art software. This is real certified trader strategies. You are 100% in control of your account, and it is hands-off after you set up. Now, key word is hands-off after you set up. Now, you've probably seen people talk about Forex for the last couple of years because it has become a trend or the new thing that people are talking about. But most people don't have the time to commit to actually learn it, or you've tried it before, you've blown accounts, or whatever the case scenario is. But what if you can have something that is truly hands-free once it's set up? And again, it is a software that has been tried and tested that's winning well over 80 something percent. Okay. For the people that take action, ladies and gentlemen, for the people that take action and join us today in this company, not only are you going to get access to the automated Forex software, again, it's nothing like automation. And as you continue to grow your account, if you have money laying around that you want to invest to be able to grow that money even larger than what it currently is, this is the tool that you will want to do that with, okay? Because if that money's just sitting at home and you're safe or wherever you have that money at, guess what? It's not working for you and your money's not making money. The wealthy people do things the smart way, in which they learn and master the art of allowing their money to make them more money. But by you taking action, like I said before, our Forex course, which is here, what you're looking at on the screen right now, sells for $2,000. You're going to get access and continue to have access as long as you remain active on the automated Forex subscription for free. Okay, you're going to get this part for free. This is completely separate from Silver Star Live or anything that they have to offer. This is a $2,000 course that I'm selling. So not only this course is going to teach you the basics about Forex, everything you need to know from fundamentals, from market structure, from Fibonacci, supply and demand, trend trading, counter trend trading, trading channels, whatever the case scenario is, okay? But you're also going to get access to our tools as well, which I'm going to show you here in just a sec, that will assist you with your trading as well. And they are pretty incredible, okay? So you don't want to take this lightly. We also have a webinar replay site that has access, or that will give you access, which I'm going to actually change the way this looks because I honestly don't like the way this is looking right now. But it's going to give you access to every training that we did, okay? Live training that we did. You got a market cycle training here, which is pretty cool.
I will always be his boss.
I'm just going to go in here.
So if you understand that concept, I like I said, I just
come in here. All right, just to show you what we talk about in our training. Our training is really good. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, this is our webinar replay site. There's over 100 something videos in here. This is our academy, over 70 videos. So you're talking about 170 videos plus, and I promise you, it's everything. When I say everything, I mean everything there is to know about the Forex market is pretty much in here. Okay. But in addition to that, okay, you're going to get access to our tools that will assist you with your manual trading. So for those people that want to learn how to trade on their own while they're using our automated software to trade for them to build another separate account, then this is the way to go, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is the way to go. And this is limited to 28 more people. I promise you. Okay, 28 more people. And the reason why we're limiting it to 28 people is twofold. One, it's a $2,000 course. All right. And we sell this for $2,000 all day long. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Secondly, okay, another reason why this is limited to 28 people is because we were going to give it away to everybody on our team that joins us in Silver Star Live. But we just can't, because there's really no way for us to properly manage right now as I'm doing this video to where I can think of, 500 people with our course for free to make sure you stay active, etc. Okay. But don't allow that to discourage you for not joining, because we have other bonuses that we're going to give to our team as well, such as a marketing system, which will be coming out either this weekend or early next week. We're gonna do some more Forex training that we will have specific for people that join our team in Silver Star Live. That may not necessarily be this course, but I am going to, and some other leaders are going to do other Forex training that we're going to do specifically for Silver Star, because obviously we trade every day, or every day the market open, or every week for that matter. And we can help the people that actually want to learn how to trade in addition to what the software is doing. Okay. So you know you're still getting a good deal, but if you want access to this, if you want to be in that numbers, it's only for the first 28 people. Once it's gone, it's gone until I figure out another way, or it may not ever come back. Okay, so don't take this lightly. All right, guys. So this is me on my computer, my desktop computer, and I'm just going to show you a few of our tools that you will get access to if you take action today. Again, this is limited to the first 100 people. We've already filled, it looks like about 72 slots already. So we have 28 slots left. So once those slots are filled up, we will not be allowing anyone else at this time. We will close down this offer until further notice. And the reason why, again, like I said before, this is a $2,000 course with our tools. We have more tools that we're going to add later on this year as well to help assist with your trading. And again, you don't want to miss out on this offer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one of our tools, and then this is one of my favorite tools, and hopefully I can get it to work because my computer is moving extremely slow right now. All right, but this tool is called the Trade Finder. Okay, now you can set this up to be able to receive alerts via email or to your cell phone in your MetaTrader 4 app. We show you how to do that in the training, so I'm not going to show you now. However, I am going to show you some of the trades that were called with this tool, and pretty much display the accuracy of this tool. Okay, now let me actually go back in here, and you can actually change your settings. You can decide what time frames you want to receive signals on, or patterns, or whatever you want to call them, or trades. So I'm actually going to turn on true. I'm going to turn on 15-minute too, just because. And that's it. I'm going to hit close. And we had a trade that came through this morning. Let me see if it's still here. I may not have that pair on here. So let me see if I can add that pair. Yeah, I don't have that pair here. Let me add it. All right. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the trades that pretty much came through and explain to you how this works. And again, this thing wins about 80% of the time. It doesn't win all of them. However, if you manage your trade, for the most part, there are ways for you to get out. For example, this is a great example here. This is the pound yen, okay? And you see that the trade, or the signal came in, or the trade alert came in for you to enter pretty much right here. As you can see, there was no drawdown. This does not repaint, so you don't have to worry about it repainting. But when the signal came in, you know, obviously what I typically like to do is wait for the first candle to close in the direction that I'm going before I actually place my entry. And then you see it went down. Okay, so let's see how far it actually went down here. Actually, let's see here. All right, so it went down roughly 99 pips. Okay, 99 pips before it actually reversed and went back up in the other direction. Okay, so that's a lot of pips. Okay, so as soon as that dropped down, what I would have done if I was in this trade and managing this trade and trading on my computer, which we have a tool that actually manages your trades as well. Let me see if I have it on this computer that I can show you. Yeah, I actually have it here, so I'll show you that as well. but it manages your trade. So I would actually move my stop loss into profit so that if the market did reverse, I still would have walked away with profit, even though it didn't actually hit the take profit line. So just because the take profit line is set, that does not mean that you have to stay until it actually hits it. Okay, so I'm going to come back up here to this Euro CAD sale here. This actually came through this morning. And if you look, let me see here. Pretty much there was no drawdown. Okay, it spiked up to here. This is your entry, the green line, and it dropped all the way down to here. So let's see how many pips we caught. Okay, so from this drop, here's the signal. Okay, all the way down, and it bursted through that take profit line. You're looking at 86 pips. Okay, now the beautiful thing about this is, again, you don't have to do any analysis or anything like that. So it is the perfect tool to use for newbies. Okay, now if you do know how to trade, okay, you can verify those trades. So here's another one with the CAD JPY. Now let me tell you this. Now trades are not gonna come all the time. It's not gonna. I mean, it's using harmonic patterns. So whenever there's a pattern or a trade opportunity, that's when it will show up. So if you're looking to trade like 100 different trades a day, then this may not be the tool for you. If you're looking for the ideal setups or high probability setups, then this is the perfect tool, because again, it takes or eliminates all the guesswork. Okay, so even if you know how to trade, it's still a great tool to use. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna come all the way down. You see that went 81 pips. Okay, 81 pips. Who could use 81 pips? And that is the CAD JPY. That all happened today. Okay, so coming over here to the 15-minute chart, let's look at the USD CAD. All right, and some of you guys missed this trade, but guess what caught it? We did. Okay, so if you look here, boom, it dropped down here, it bounced. Okay, here's your signal, and caught 34 pips, and it's look like it's coming back down. So just showing you guys, I can go on and on. Okay, and let me do one more here. And it looks like I have duplicates here, but that's fine. All right, so here's another one. I'm gonna have to turn this automatic scroll thing off. All right, so this is the Euro JPY, and this actually went 28 pips. Okay, so pretty awesome. All right, so as you can see, it pretty much wins, and you can set this up. You can do lower time frames. Typically, I like to do the hour and above, but you definitely wouldn't get a lot of trades. But if you do like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, or whatever, those you will get more setups on those time frames. However, they are a little bit more riskier because they are the lower time frames. Again, I like to stick with the higher time frames because those are definitely more accurate. But if you want more trades, then you want to go to a lower time frame. All right, so I'm going to get out of that, and I'm going to show you the other two that you will get access to here. And I don't think I need to show you on this particular chart. Let me open another chart here, and let's do this one. And we're going to do the trade manager. And long story short, this is a trade manager. It's also an expert advisor. So basically, like I was talking about, you can execute trades with this. It helps you with your risk management. So if we say, hey, only risk 1% of your account, you got percentage of equity here. You just put 1. Okay, like 1.0, that's 1%. And it'll execute a trade and only risk 1% of your account balance. It also will automatically set your stop loss that you have here, your take profit level as well, which is pretty cool. You just got to make sure you have auto trading on and one click trading. I'm sorry. Also, once you reach a certain point in profit, which in this case, break even, it will close whatever percentage of your trade you allocate, and then also it will move your stop loss into profit automatically. Like I'll explain all this in training. I don't want to do this now because the video will be pretty long. So basically, this tool will do everything that you're supposed to do as a trader, because sometimes, you don't want to sit and monitor trades or be in front of a computer all the time. I know. So this is why I created that. I predefine my settings. I set it, and then pretty much all you have to do is just leave your computer up on that particular pair that you're trading. And then if you do that, even if you execute a trade from your phone, if you set a take profit level, it will take care of the rest for you and manage that trade. Okay, so this is pretty awesome. Again, it manages your trade. So this is a trade assistant in a nutshell that will basically manage your trades for you. That is one of my favorite tools as well. Here's our Fibonacci tool as well. Again, this is called UOP Fib Levels. We probably changed the name to something else, but this is what it's called right now. Okay, and as you see, that red is the sweet box. Okay, and by it hitting that level, it's saying that it could possibly see a reversal to the downside. Okay, so we're in an area where we could possibly see a reversal. It is not 100% guaranteed that that will happen, but if you understand or know anything about Fibonacci, you know that this is how it works. Okay, so this pretty much automatically draw the fibs for you. I'm on a 15-minute now, so we're looking for a pullback because we had a strong move up. So we're looking for it to come down here to 144 before bouncing and shooting back up. A final tool that I want to talk to you all about is the Elliott wave indicator. Okay, the next tool I want to talk to y'all about is the Elliott wave indicator, and I'm going to explain it in a nutshell because again, these are waves, and waves can extend, support and resistance can change. So that's why sometimes these dots will repaint. However, if you understand or use this properly, it can be very powerful. That you can use a very powerful tool that you can use for confluence, which is how I use it. I don't trade on the dots. Okay, so for example, all right, if you look here, we're on the pound odd, and red means sell, white in this case, since it's on the bottom, means buy, red means sell, green means buy. Okay, now in a nutshell, white means that this is the end of a wave and the beginning of a new one. So you notice on this dot, and also knowing what I know about candlestick patterns and price action, I noticed it came here, boom, and the candle bounced up and did like a bullish candle up. So I know this signal is going to be valid. Then you had another strong candle move up. Okay, then you had this one come down and it went up. So I would have entered 1 to 2 candles after the signal before it actually got in to confirm this move. Because if you see a white dot, the move is going to be stronger in which whatever direction it's saying it's going to go, which in this case, it went up. So now that I've seen this white dot, here's a red dot, which means that, there's going to be a sell opportunity. But because this white dot told me that the trend has changed and now it's going to start going up, I am going to ignore the red dots, okay? Because the red dots are pretty much just pullbacks or corrections or what have you. So in this case, you see it came down, and the green dot will never exceed the white dot if it's going in the same direction, okay? So because it's an uptrend, now that I see this green dot pop up, I am going to buy again. And then if I bought again, you see that I caught a lot of pips. So I'm going to select this, and I'm just going to, let's say if I got in right here, and I'm going to take this all the way up to the next white dot. That is 417 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So, and then when that happened, you see the white dot appeared, which lets me know that that is the end of that bull run. And now the market is about to start going down, in which it is, because we're expecting the Australian dollar to get strong. So this is pretty much spot on. So that pretty much concludes everything you need to see about the tools. Again, go to tradewithreginald.com, or if someone else is sharing this video with you, get back with them if they are on the Easy Passive Profits team or UOP, whatever you want to call us. If they are connected with our group, get back with them and sign up with them directly. If not, if you're looking at this opportunity, I'm telling you guys, I am not bluffing. There's only roughly about 28 spots last time I checked. So once those are gone, they're gone. No one else is going to get access to these tools for free. It's just going to be strictly the auto trader. And the reason why is because we sell our tools in our course separate already. Okay. And we can't figure out a way to properly manage this so that we're able to track more than 100 people. It would be an absolute nightmare for us to try to track 500 people or 1,000 people, because Silver Star Live is not necessarily our company. We are an affiliate, okay? So there's no way for us to connect via API to track whether somebody paid the next month or whatever past 100 people. 100 people is manageable. Anything over that, it becomes a nightmare. So first 100 people that take action will get this. All right. Now, once you come in as a customer, everybody sign up as a customer. If you refer 3 customers as a customer, you get a free account. Okay. Or 1 free license for the software. Okay. Now, as a affiliate, for every person you sign up, you get a $40 fast start bonus. There's a 3x9 matrix residual rank compensation plan. And we have an infinity generational bonus. I'm only going to talk about 3x9 force matrix, in which you earn $3 for every active person that's inside of your matrix. Okay. So $3 for every active customer in your matrix. So there's not going to be much, breakage in the compensation plan, because you're literally getting paid on everyone in your matrix. All right. This right here talks about the amount of personal customers required in order for you to unlock a level in your matrix. 3 unlocks level 1. 11 personals unlock all 9 levels in the matrix. That weekly residual pay, again, that's paid weekly based on whatever rank you are, which the ranks are here. You have Icon 150, which requires 3 customers. You have Icon 600, which requires 12. Icon 1500, which requires 35. Icon 3000, which requires 90. Icon 5000, which requires 250. So on and so forth. If you look at what they're earning, Icon 3000, $3,000 a month, $750 a week. 5,000, $1,250 a week, so on and so forth, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're interested, get back with the person that shared this video with you. If they are on our team, if they're not on our team specifically, you can go to trade with Reginald.com if you want to take advantage of this particular offer to get our Forex course, our Forex tools, which will help you win trades or assist you with your trading, and also will teach you how to trade if you have a desire to learn. This is the greatest opportunity, I believe, in 2019. Why? Because it's an opportunity for the person that don't know how to recruit or don't want to recruit to make money. This is an opportunity for the person that has never made money online ever to be able to make money for the first time. We got people that are excited, that have tried many things online. They have never made anything, now profiting in a Forex market, and they didn't really do anything but set up the software. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Again, go to tradewithreginald.com or inbox me for the link, and I will walk you through the process of getting started. So until next time, I will see you on the inside. Take